Letter D.
Letter D.
Letter D.
Letter D.
Letter D.
Duck. Duh. Duck. Duh, 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 as in duck. Duh is the sound of D. Duh, 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 as in duck. Duh is the sound of D.
Hello. Who are we going to meet today? It's Duffy the duck.
I am a yellow duck. Quack, quack. I have 2 webbed feet. I can swim.
Does Duffy moo? No, Duffy quacks. What can Duffy do? Duffy can swim. Duck, duck. Swim, swim.
Duffy is a duck. Duffy is a duck. Duffy goes quack, quack all day long. Duffy is a duck. Duffy is a duck. Duffy swims, swims, swims all day long. I am swimming in the pond. Look at how I swim. I can swim fast. I can swim slow. I enjoy swimming.
Why does Duffy swim in the pond? The weather is hot. To find food. Yellow duck, white duck. A fat duck. A thin duck. Yellow duck. White duck. A fat duck. A thin duck. I am a duck. I am yellow. I am fat and noisy.
I am Duffy the duck. Quack, quack. I can swim. Can you say quack, quack? Can you swim?
Letter D.
Duck. Duck. Duck.
Hey, my friends! Can you tell me what you learned in this lesson? Thanks. Don't forget subscribe.